Hi, friends. Let's begin drawing Nikki Maxwell from Dork Diaries. I'm going to start with her hairline and hairstyle, her wavy hair. To me, it looks somewhat like Barbie's waves, especially with the bangs she has. So let's start by drawing her hair. Kindly follow along. On the other side, her hair flows like leaves. Next, we'll draw the big bun on her head. It's actually her hair, but it looks really nice. I like her character a lot. Have you ever read Dork Diaries? If so, comment below and let me know which book you like the most. She has a hexagon-shaped face, so let's sketch her jawline. Next, we'll draw a big round earring on one side, followed by the other ear and its earring. Don't forget to add the small details inside the earrings, like the curves. She has two pigtails, so we'll draw her wavy-haired pigtails now. If you like Dork Diaries, why do you like Nikki? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's draw her neck. She is wearing a small choker-like beaded necklace. Nikki has a very thin, slender body, along with thin legs and thin hands. I got this reference picture from Google. It's a default picture, and I've seen it on the front cover of a Dork Diaries book, so I used it as my reference for this drawing. She is wearing a short skirt, which must be a denim skirt. As you know, Dork Diaries illustrations are all in black and white, but I've seen some colorized versions on Reddit and in some YouTube shorts. Okay, let's continue drawing her long, thin legs. She is wearing slip-on shoes. Now, we'll draw the other leg. It's long and thin too. You don't need to worry too much about the leg shape because the style is simple and consistent from top to bottom. The most complicated part is her top, the book she is carrying, and the magic pen she is holding. There are a lot of details, so I'm taking my time with it. Kindly follow along. As of now, I am drawing the book she is holding against her chest. The book has a lot of intricate details, so I am taking my time and drawing it slowly. Previously, I thought she was wearing a long-sleeved top, and while she is indeed wearing one, she also has bangles on her wrists, 2 bangles. I only realized this after coloring the drawing. Before that, I assumed it was just a t-shirt with loose sleeves extending to the wrist, almost like an elastic cuff or a bell-like sleeve. Actually, I enjoyed drawing this picture of Nikki Maxwell because I saw a subscriber, not from my channel, but from another channel, requesting the creator to draw it. However, that creator never got around to doing it. So I thought, why not me? Why don't I draw it? I'm not sure if that person will ever see my drawing, but still, I'm creating it for her. Now, she is carrying a magic pencil, so I am drawing it very carefully. When I first saw the reference picture, I found it a little complicated to sketch. I wasn't sure how I was going to draw it, but as I started adding details one by one, it became easier. The sparkle on the pencil and the string extending from the back of it seemed tricky at first, but once I broke it down step by step, it turned out to be manageable. I think it will be easy for you to draw as well, just take it one step at a time. Now, coming back to the facial features, I've drawn 2 small eyes, a nose, and her broad smile. Her eyebrows are hidden under her hair, and she has long, C-shaped eyelashes. Next, I'm adding stripes to her t-shirt, just like in the original reference image. The stripes also need to be drawn at the bottom of the t-shirt to match the design. I like drawing this black and white picture because, previously, I worked on a lot of colored illustrations. I used to color all my drawings, but this time, I kept it simple and accurate, just like how Nikki is presented in Dork Diaries. Now, I'm filling in the sleeves and her neck with black. I think the picture is now well framed. Finally, I'm using a black sketch pen to outline the entire drawing. And that's it, Dork Diaries Nikki Maxwell is ready. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.